these AI tools feel like you're cheating at life, but they're 100% legal. I'm talking about apps that can clone your voice, design posters in seconds, build websites, and even train their own AI models, all in just a few minutes. These are the kind of tools that make you question reality, like, wait, how is this even allowed? So today I'm showing you 5 underrated AI tools that are insanely powerful, but barely anyone's talking about. So let's get started, but fair warning, after this video, you might not look at your regular workflow the same way again. Alright, first up, BlackBox.ai. This one honestly feels unfair. It's like having an entire dev team on speed dial, except they never sleep and don't charge you a salary. So, here's the crazy part. You don't even need to know a single line of code. You just tell it what to build. Let's type, build me a customizable AI chatbot that remembers user data. And boom, it starts building it. Like actual code, interface, setup, everything. Now, try this one. Create a website where users upload an image and it generates music based on it. And yes, it actually did that. I don't know who approved this technology, but it feels like cheating. Here's what's wild. BlackBox.ai doesn't just do chatbots or sites. You can build AI image generators, summarizers, even mini games. It's like ChatGPT met GitHub and had a very productive baby. It also lets you choose which AI model you want to power your project, so you can pick between ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or even Grok. That's like having the Avengers of AI inside one browser tab. I mean, 30 million users are already using this thing for coding, automation, and even startup ideas. That's not hype. That's people literally building side hustles overnight. So, yeah, if you've ever had a crazy app idea but didn't know how to code, BlackBox.ai will make you feel like a Silicon Valley genius in under 10 minutes. I'm serious. This might just ruin software engineering degrees. Next up, Liner.ai. This AI tool makes you feel like a full-on machine learning engineer without writing a single line of code. Here's how it works. You upload your data, could be text, numbers, or even images, and Liner trains a custom AI model just for you. No Python, no Jupyter notebooks, no APIs, no config files. You literally just drag, drop, click train, and boom! Your personal model is ready in minutes. It even gives you a downloadable model file so you can plug it straight into your app or project. You don't need to understand deep learning. Liner does all the heavy lifting behind the scenes. Let me give you a few real examples. This is where it gets crazy useful. You could train it to predict customer feedback, like automatically tag reviews as positive or negative, or train it to spot spam comments, detect fake reviews, or analyze support tickets. Basically, all the smart stuff companies hire data scientists for. You can do it on your lunch break. And the best part? It's completely free. You don't need credits, GPUs, or a cloud account. It just runs everything in your browser like magic. This tool makes me feel like I just skipped 4 years of a data science degree. Seriously though, if you've ever wanted to understand how AI models actually work without coding, Liner.ai is the perfect sandbox to learn. Alright, tool number 3, Perplexity.ai. Imagine if ChatGPT and Google had a baby, and it grew up to be a straight-A student with trust issues because it always cites its sources. This thing is wild. You type in a question like, summarize the latest AI model updates from 2025, and instead of guessing, it gives you real-time answers with actual sources attached. See those links? Those are live citations. You can click them and verify everything yourself. It's basically ChatGPT, but with receipts. And what really makes it powerful is context. You can ask follow-up questions, and it remembers what you meant, like if you said, compare those models, or show which one's fastest, it instantly understands you're still talking about AI. Plus, Perplexity isn't just text-based. You can upload PDFs, research papers, or even images, and then ask it questions about them, like summarize this 20-page report or highlight all the key metrics. That's huge for researchers, students, or content creators, basically anyone who needs fast, reliable info without reading a 40-page document. If ChatGPT gives you confident answers, Perplexity gives you verified ones. It's like having Google, ChatGPT, and a built-in fact checker all in one tab. Honestly, it's my daily research engine now. I use it to double-check AI news, script ideas, even fact-check my own videos. And the best part? It's completely free. Like, how is this thing free? Okay, if you've ever used Midjourney or DALL-E, you know the worst part is getting text inside images to actually read correctly. Letters go sideways, spellings break, it's total chaos. Enter Ideogram.ai, which, shockingly, nails text and images, like actually spells the words correctly. Here's the typical workflow. You type a prompt, something specific and designy, and Ideogram turns it into a poster, logo, or banner in seconds. Let's type a prompt here. Retro 80s poster that says, "Future is now." Neon colors, grain texture, bold sans serif type, center typography, cinematic lighting. Look at that. The typography is centered, the words are spelled right, and the kerning actually looks intentional. That rarely happens with other tools. Clean edges, sharp letters, no weird extra characters. That's gold for anyone making marketing assets. Why this matters? If you're a marketer, YouTuber, or designer, text and image is everything. Thumbnails, event posters, thumbnails with call to action text. Ideogram saves you the extra step of opening Photoshop to fix a misspelled word. A couple more things it does well. In painting or edit mode, if a word or element isn't right, you can paint over the area and regenerate just that part. No need to redo the whole image. We also have font tweaking. It gives you control over type styles and weight, so you can pick a bold sans or a script, and it supports HD exports. You can download crisp, high-res images ready for print or video thumbnails. Pro tip here is when you want exact text, include font style in the prompt, bold sans serif, all caps, and lock it in with the in-paint tool if needed. So who should use this? YouTubers, instant thumbnail concepts with legible headlines. Marketers, event posters and social ads without design fuss. Small businesses, quick logos and banners. Content creators, on-the-fly visuals for videos or promos. Midjourney charges $10 or more a month for that kind of quality. Ideogram gives you a lot of this for free. That's why it feels illegal. When using Ideogram, write a clear prompt with the exact headline you want. Specify font style, case, like all caps or title case, and layout direction. This is one of those tools that slashes 30 minutes off your workflow every time you use it. Generate. Tweak one or two spots, export, done. No Photoshop meltdowns. And finally, the one that actually freaked me out a little bit, ElevenLabs. I know it's been here for a while, but I'm talking about its cloning capability, which is insane. This thing can clone your voice, generate ultra-realistic narrations, or even make you sound like one of those dramatic movie trailer voiceovers. All you do is upload a short sample of your voice, like 30 seconds of you reading anything, and in seconds, it builds an AI copy that sounds uncannily real. Then you type whatever you want it to say, and, well, yeah, that was not me. That was ElevenLabs pretending to be me. And honestly, it's kind of terrifying how real it sounds. The interface is super simple. You can generate narrations, voiceovers, or character dialogue for podcasts, YouTube videos, or films. You can also skip voice cloning and just pick from hundreds of pre-made voices. Male, female, different accents, even languages. Some of them sound so human, it's honestly hard to believe they're AI. ElevenLabs is a lifesaver for creators who don't want to record audio every time. But use it ethically. Clone your own voice or use public AI voices. Don't use someone else's without their permission. That's where it feels illegal, becomes illegal. Still, for content creators, this is like having a voice actor on standby 24/7. All right, rapid recap time. Here's what each tool absolutely crushes at. They're all powerful, but if I had to pick my top two, Perplexity because it's a research superpower, ElevenLabs because it makes everything sound cinematic. Those two alone could replace half the tools I used last year. So, yeah, these AI tools feel like you're cheating at life, but they're 100% legal. Links to everything are down in the description. Try them out and comment which one blew your mind the most. And if you want a part 2 with even crazier tools, smash that like button and hit subscribe.